This video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications related to the site News-naroro.cc. It is quite certain that the name of this website doesn't make any sense, but the website, however, is extremely malicious. It tries to make you click on the special Allow button. But to click on the Allow button is obviously a mistake. The website displays pretty misleading messages trying to encourage people into clicking on that button. But once the Allow button is clicked, the browser may be forwarded to some other questionable site, and also people may soon start receiving the great number of intrusive ads that will be displayed as random push notifications in the right bottom part of the screen. So to deactivate these ads, you should do the following: access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, find the Special Permissions area and click on Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. The point is that after you mistakenly clicked on the Allow button, this News-naroro.cc came up into this list and now is displaying its annoying ads. So you need to remove this site from the list. Click on that button and remove it from the list, as well as other junk sites you might find on that list. So this should fix the issue manually, but I would also recommend that you research the computer additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software using this green Download Combo Cleaner button, install the application and begin researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.